The Havana lightweight protective case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra from Gear 4. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's good, people? Tech Jamo. Now, we're out here with this Havana case from Gear 4. Can I just give a big shout out to the guys at zag.com for sending me some of these review samples to have a look at. They haven't paid me for this review or anything like that. They haven't given me any unique selling points. They've literally just said to me, look, what phone do you have? Cool, you've got a Galaxy S21. Cool, we're gonna send you some accessories to have a look at. If you also think they're blessed, then show your audience on YouTube. So that's what we're here to do today. So let's dive in. Right, so packaging first of all. Corner protection, contains recycled plastic, anti-microbial treatment, everything. Ever since this whole coronavirus, everything is anti-microbial these days. Havana, this case uses D3o. Now D3o is supposed to be this impact protection kind of plastic thing that protects your phone from those drops and those harsh shocks when it is dropped kind of thing. So apparently that's been infused into this case. The D3o is proven to protect sports, motorcycle, industrial, military, electronics, stuff like that. And you got your lifetime warranty there from Gear 4. This packaging looks sick though. Like, fam, it just looks lit. And I think we pop it open like this. Hey, come on, you've already won me over with this packaging, fam. Ultimate protection, D3o is proven to protect kind of thing. You understand? You understand it? And this is the case itself. Nothing more really going on in there. I'm gonna slide that back in. Fam, this is one of those cases that I'm gonna keep, fam. Because look, how sexy is this? I might even let my phone sleep in here. I don't even know. Anyway, onto the case. This is the case right here, as you guys can see. Looks quite sleek. You got some branding on the bottom here. Protected by D3o, wow. D3o. Got the Gear 4 logo there. You hear that, right? Yeah. It does have that litty texture. Anyway, you can see the bits of D3o right here and right here, all over the corners kind of thing, because that's where the impact of the shock will do most damage to the phone. So let's get it slapped onto the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Boom. And we are there, fam. Yeah, no, it feels... This definitely gives you a lot of grip. This little bit here, this gives it a lot of grip. I like this. This looks nice. Now let's see what the buttons are saying for clickicity. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, the clickicity is there in the buttons, fam. There's obviously easy access to all the ports and everything like that. What about the charging test? Because sometimes when you have a case that's too thick, it's hard to get the charger into the port at the bottom. Right, got a little USB-C cable here. Let's see if it can do the plug-in test. Okay, I've just realized this is not plugged in. Right, as I said, let's do the plug-in test. There we go. So yeah, it's easily able to fit in through the bottom port there, and you've got access to obviously the speakers on that side and whatever microphones you have on this side as well, and it doesn't get in the way of anything. Now this case is very thin. It's very thin and light, easily able to fit into your pocket. I feel it's a bit too thin for my personal comfort. I do like how the camera, I don't know if you guys can see that there, but the camera ledges just come a bit over the camera right there as well. I've also got a screen protector on the camera. That's why my camera comes up a bit more than usual, but usually this would be raised above the camera, which it is. So yeah, that looks quite nice. But yeah, all in all, for a case, how much are we saying for this case? $24.99. $24.99 for this case. That's not bad. That's not bad. Oh, you guys want to see if it works with wireless charging? It will definitely work because it's so thin, but let me just show you guys anyway. Let's take this out and let's put this on the wireless charger. There we go. Okay, you understand? This wireless charger is also from Zag.com. I'll put the link to this in the description section below. Mofi, don't know. But yeah, nah, decent, nice case. Works with wireless chargers. Very nice and thin. It's got that D3o Corner Protection for those big harsh shocks and drops, and it's got the extra grip that you'd want, fam. This is it. This is what you're here for, right? So anyway, thanks again to Zag.com for sending this out for review, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Tech Jamo out. Hey.